How to put YouTube Shorts as WhatsApp status. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can put YouTube Shorts as WhatsApp status. Now this does not only work for YouTube Shorts, you can do the same for YouTube videos too. So before we begin, if you guys are new to App Hacks, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on our future videos. Now let us begin. The first thing you'll need to do is open up your YouTube. Now all you need to do is find a video that you want to add on your status. Now it can be your video or a story. Now you should see a share option. Now tap on the share icon and you should find your WhatsApp. Now simply tap on the WhatsApp option. Now after you tap on the WhatsApp option, you'll get redirected to this WhatsApp section. Now right there you'll find my status option. Simply select my status and on the bottom you'll find the next option. Tap on next. Now after you tap on next, all you need to do is tap on send. Now you can head over to WhatsApp to check it out. Now after you're on my status section, it will take some time to load, but after it loads you will have it on your status. Now as you can see right here, I've just uploaded it and it says just now, but it is still loading. So yeah, that is basically how you do it, guys. That is how you send YouTube status as your that is how you send YouTube Shorts as your WhatsApp status. And that is all for the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.